Good morning. I am Soria of class 6 from National Victor Public School, Delhi. In this video, I am going to tell you my opinion on can robots replace doctors. Once my mother told me that God cannot be everywhere, so he sent doctors. The answer is simple. Nobody can replace doctors, not even robots. However, we can use science and artificial intelligence together to reduce the burden of doctors. I can confidently say that there is no harm in using robots.